Hello everyone, Amit Arora from EcoVisioner. I hope you have watched my previous 5 videos on national income. Today is class number 6. I'll be teaching you how to calculate national income using expenditure method. We have 3 methods of calculating national income: income, expenditure and output. Income method I've already covered in class 5. Class 6 today will be expenditure method. We'll be covering some numericals and the theory part of it. Let us start with expenditure method. As you all know, expenditure का मतलब होता है खर्चा. So the expenditure of all the sectors in our economy. So first we'll calculate GDP MP. If you remember, in income method we were calculating NDP FC first. COE ऑपरेटिंग सरप्लस और मिक्स्ड इनकम को ऐड किया था. अब ये एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड है. एक्सपेंडिचर मींस पूरी इकोनॉमी का खर्चा. सबसे पहले जो एक्सपेंडिचर मेथड में खर्चा करता है सेक्टर, दैट इज प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर. यहां 2 खर्चे आते हैं. वी हैव 2 एक्सपेंडिचर्स. वन, इट इज डन बाय हाउस होल्ड, दिस इज कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर, एंड द अदर डन बाय नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जिनको हम एनजीओ भी कहते हैं. तो इन दोनों की खर्चों को हम प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर, विच इज इन शॉर्ट वी use it as PFC. So first expenditure is by household, private final consumption expenditure. Second, the same expenditure for consumption by the government is government final consumption expenditure. As you all know, government का कोई भी खर्चा बहुत ही रेयरली इंटरमीडिएट माना जाता है. सो गवर्नमेंट के खर्चे को हम फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर कहते हैं. बीट ऑन वैक्सीन, बीट ऑन एजुकेशन, बीट ऑन हेल्थ, बीट ऑन सैलरीज, ये सब खर्चे गवर्नमेंट के, गवर्नमेंट बाइंग गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज, ये सब खर्चे सरकार के गवर्नमेंट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर, और यू कैन इन शॉर्ट यू कैन से GFCE. Then the third expenditure by all the 3 sectors, ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन. ये कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन का मतलब है लॉन्ग टर्म खर्चा, दैट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो अगर GDCF ना दिया हो तो एक्चुअली ये 3 सेक्टर्स हैं जिनका खर्चा है. एक सेक्टर है हाउस होल्ड, रेजिडेंशियल कंस्ट्रक्शन. एक खर्चा है प्राइवेट कंपनीज का, फर्म्स का, दैट इज बिजनेस फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट. एक खर्चा है गवर्नमेंट का, दैट इज पब्लिक इन्वेस्टमेंट. एंड द फोर्थ इन्वेस्टमेंट इज चेंज इन स्टॉक, जिसको हम इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट कहते हैं. सो GDCF इज एक्चुअली 4 इन्वेस्टमेंट्स वी हैव. हाउस होल्ड रेजिडेंशियल कहते हैं उसको, देन वी हैव बिजनेस फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट, देन वी हैव गवर्नमेंट फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट पे भी खर्चा होता है. So that is expenditure. And fourth is the expenditure of the foreigners on us, that is net exports, that is exports minus imports. तो सारे चारों सेक्टर्स के खर्चे हमने ऐड कर देने हैं. एंड द फर्स्ट थिंग विच वी गेट इज GDP MP. So gross domestic product at market price is what we get through expenditure method first. As we got NDP FC in income method, here we get GDP MP. तो न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने से पहले वी शुड टेक केयर ऑफ दीज पॉइंट स्टूडेंट्स. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. many a times it is seen that in the numerical, ग्रॉस की जगह नेट डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन दिया होता है. सो इफ नेट डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन इज गिवन एंड यू डोंट वांट टू ऐड डेप्रिसिएशन, देन यू कैन आल्सो कैलकुलेट NDP MP first. There is no problem. If you want to go for GDP MP, of course you can just add depreciation to it and get GDP. So but if net is already given और national income ही मांगा हुआ है, तो your sum can start through NDP MP. Second point, if fixed capital formation, कई बार fixed capital gross और net fixed capital formation दिया होता है, that excludes change in stock. So आपको क्या करना है, उसको GDCF या NDCF निकालने के लिए आपको inventory या change in stock add करना है. So GDCF is total of fixed capital formation and inventory investment, that is change in stock. Third, change in stock का और नाम भी हो सकता है inventory investment. Fourth, अगर net imports दिया हुआ है, that means net imports, we are importing more, so that is in positive, so हमें subtract करना पड़ेगा. हम लोग ज्यादा खर्च कर रहे हैं on the foreigners. पर अगर net imports negative दिया हुआ है, then it is actually net exports. So if net imports is given in negative, then it's actually net exports. So please add it. और if net exports is given in negative, अगर आपके numerical में net exports लिखा है और उसके सामने -50 लिखा है, that means the money is going out, so you have to subtract it. Point number 6, Private final consumption expenditure can be given as personal consumption expenditure. So there should be no confusion. And last is very important, gross fixed capital formation agar na diya ho. So we have parts given to us. It is residential construction investment by households, business fixed investment by firms, private firms, and public investment by the government. In तीनों को add कर दो, you get GDFCF, that is gross fixed capital formation. इनको आपको ध्यान से ये points आपको you have to keep them in your mind before solving any numerical. So coming to the first common numerical which we get, calculate GDP-MP. As I told you, in expenditure method हमें GDP-MP ही मिलता है पहले. So GDP-MP निकालने के लिए हमें 4 खर्चे लेने हैं, 4 or you can say 5 expenditures, because the third expenditure is a mixture of 2. So first expenditure is private final consumption expenditure. Second is government final consumption expenditure. Third is gross fixed capital formation. Fourth is inventory investment or change in stock. And fifth is net exports. I think everything is given in the question. Private final is 1200. Government final is 200. Gross fixed capital formation is 300. Change in stock is 400. Exports is 600, because net export का formula होता है exports minus imports, x minus m, 600 minus 500. So अगर हम इन सबको प्लस करें, that is 1400 plus 7 is 21, 21 plus 1 is 22. We'll check it again. The answer is 2200. So 12 plus 2 is 14 and 3 17, 21 and then 100. So GDP-MP here is 2200. We have added all the components of this method. Second type of question, they are asking for GNP-FC, not GDP-MP. But students, remember, you will first get GDP-MP or NDP-MP only. As I told you in important points, आपको check करना है कि capital formation के आगे net दिया है कि gross दिया है. तो यहाँ पे net दिया है, इसलिए मैं इस question को NDP-MP से start करूँगा. अगर यहाँ पे ग्रॉस दिया होता तो मैं इसको GDP-MP से स्टार्ट करता. आई वुड हैव स्टार्टेड यूजिंग GDP-MP. सो एंड ऑल्सो फिक्स्ड इज गिवन. So when fixed word is given, change in stock has to be searched. So change in stock is closing minus opening. So let us start with those 5 components which we used to add. The first component to be added is private final consumption expenditure, which is 1500. This is the first expenditure to be added. Second expenditure is the same as done by the government, that is 200. Third is net domestic fixed capital formation, and also we have to add change in stock, that is closing minus opening stock. So if I'm not wrong, it is 100 minus 60, so that is 40. And the fifth, or you can say fourth item, is net exports, which is given in negative, so I told you have to subtract. So minus 10. अब यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज करने के लिए आपको ये import दिया हुआ है, इसको आपको you have to ignore imports here. So when we add all these, we get NDP-MP. Let us see how. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 and 350 is 2050. Then 2090. And then minus 10 is 2080. So if I'm not wrong, the answer is 2080. Let us do it again. 15 plus 2 is 17, and then 2050, 2090 minus 10 is 2080. This is NDP at MP. But they are asking for GNP-FC. Again, conversion here is helpful. Class number 4 पे जाइए और देखिए conversion कैसे होती है. तो बहुत easy है. NDP-MP, net to gross plus depreciation, and domestic to national is plus NFIA, and MP to FC is minus NIT. So तीनों adjustment होंगी यहाँ पे. So 2080 plus depreciation is I think 50, which is called consumption of fixed capital, plus NFIA, which is I think negative in this case, minus 30, and MP to FC is minus NIT, which is 40. So 2080 plus 50 is 2130, that is 2100, minus 40 is 2060. So 2060 is my GNP at FC. So you can just calculate and see what I have done. Coming to the next question, student, it is a reverse question. As we did in income method, we were calculating operating surplus. Here they are asking for gross fixed capital formation, and they have given to us gross domestic product at market price. So I just write the formula for you first. GDP MP में जो खर्चे आते हैं वो 4 होते हैं मेन. अब यहाँ पे हम 5 बोलेंगे. 5 प्राइवेट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर, गवर्नमेंट फाइनल कंजम्पशन एक्सपेंडिचर, gross fixed capital formation which we have to find, change in stock, and net exports. So whatever is missing will easily come through this formula. So GDP MP यहाँ पे 2500 is given to us, and private final consumption is 1000, government is 500, GFCF is missing, change in stock is I think so minus 100. Why minus 100? 200 minus 300 is minus 100, and net exports is again minus 50. So finally what we'll do, we'll bring everything on the left side. Suppose we subtract 1500, plus becomes minus when we change sides, and then plus 150 is equal to GF's gross fixed capital formation. So the answer is 1150. This is the reverse question. When the answer is given to you, just write the formula and just put the values, you will get the answer. These type of questions are being given in boards lately, तो इसको आपको ध्यान से करना है. And students, if you want to practice these questions, you can download EcoVisioner app. There you can get our free test and subject-based material. And also, if you want some economics coaching for class macro or for Indian economy, you can contact us on 9891203546. Do watch our previous videos also. Take care. I'll be back with output method.